Well, from former President Trump to citizen Trump.
A federal appeals court ruling he is not immune from prosecution and can't face trial on charges he plotted to overturn the results of the 2020 election.
Fox 5's Antoine Lewis joins us now in studio. And Antoine, Trump's legal team already saying that they're planning to appeal this to the Supreme Court.
Which many, Natasha, say should come as no surprise. Now, whether the justices decide to get involved, that is another story.
Former President Donald Trump is not immune from prosecution for his role in plotting to overturn the 2020 election results. That's the ruling from a three-person panel of the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals. The justices rejected arguments from Team Trump that he cannot face trial for actions while in office that will culminate in the infamous January 6th Capitol insurrection. An unsurprising decision, says former federal prosecutor Ankush Kaduri.
The argument is insane and absurd. And it deserved to be given the back of the hand quickly.
In its 57-page ruling, the appeals court said in part, "We conclude that the interest in criminal accountability held by both the public and the executive branch outweighs the potential risks of chilling presidential action and permitting vexatious litigation." Trump is charged with 4 criminal counts, including conspiracy to defraud the United States and conspiracy to obstruct an official proceeding. He has pleaded not guilty. His trial was supposed to happen in March, but was postponed last week with no new date set. Legal experts believe the ex-commander-in-chief's next move will be right out of his playbook by appealing the appeal, which in this case would be to the Supreme Court, which has mostly stayed out of the matter, even rejecting a request from Department of Justice Special Counsel Jack Smith to issue a speedy ruling.
And then it will be effectively up to them to decide whether they take the case in the first instance. And then that's the critical first step. And then if they do take the case, what kind of schedule they put it on.
Meanwhile, a group of House Republicans on Capitol Hill have introduced a resolution denying Trump caused the insurrection.
We have 63 co-sponsors to the resolution that Ms. Stefanik and I will be filing today to express the sense of Congress that President Trump did not commit an insurrection.
Now, that resolution is symbolic, a gesture to show their support for the former president. Democrats, however, calling it another attempt by Republicans to try to whitewash Mr. Trump's role in what happened on January 6th. Steve?
Very well. All right. Thanks, Antoine.